There you go, Matt's going to try and remove this failing ignition here out of this Jeep. The key takes a hard wiggle. He got the wiggle. He stripped the column. He's now going to try and push the button in on top.
It's got to be in the on, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Or does it have to just
in the on position.
Okay. It's all worn out.
Yeah, wiggle it hard with it, up and down. So I said I never got it with his. I could get it with ours. There you go. I got to turn to the on position with their jiggly key.
Don't even stay in there.
Yeah, that's probably part of why it has to come out. I got my lanyard might have a better poker too. Try my lanyard. I got the big long poker on there. The spike.
Hacienda Homecoming Committee is pausing to say thanks to our great sponsors at the Diamond level this year: Continental Plaza, Fulton County Visitors Bureau, Gerald Green, Richard Rivera, Starkweather Roofing, Terry Hendricks Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, and Terry Hendricks Ford. Hacienda Rotary, 96.1 WMTR and 94.3 The Buck.
There we got a stubborn button.